This 2025 Jayco Comet 18C is a Class B RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Fretz RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco and features a Harvest interior, sleeps 2 and 21 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features rear bath. This 2025 Jayco Comet 18C is built on a Ram ProMaster 1500 cargo van chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Fretz RV.